Hello friends, welcome back to Flobody 9. My name is Katie. Today we are going to make a delicious little snack. We are going to make some vanilla chia seed protein balls. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 cups of oats, a half a cup of honey. You could also do maple syrup here. You could also do brown rice syrup, but I'm going to go with honey today. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, a half a cup of peanut butter, my favorite ingredient, and a scoop of your vanilla protein. Our first step is we're going to need to heat the honey and the peanut butter in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. So we're going to go over to the stove and get started. All right, we're turning our burner to medium-low. Now both of these ingredients are ooey gooey and sticky, so it's not going to be beautiful coming out of here. We're going to add our half a cup of honey. And you know what? I want every bit, so I'm going to scrape this out with a silicone spatula. And our half a cup of peanut butter. I'm going with an all-natural peanut butter here. It's just peanuts and a little bit of salt is added in there. There we go. All right, we're gonna let this get nice and hot and mix together. In the meantime, let's add our dry ingredients into a big mixing bowl. I have my large bowl here. So I'm adding 2 cups of oats, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Mixing this together, making sure everything is evenly distributed. I feel like I say that all the time, but that's important here, okay? Aside from this being a delicious meal, there's a lot of reasons why I like it. One of the main reasons is because chia seeds have a ton of health benefits to them. They're high in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, which are hard to find if you have a plant-based diet, packed with antioxidants. They lower your risk of heart disease, they help control your blood sugar, and they help support your bone health. So chia seeds are fantastic, and I love to incorporate them into my diet, and this is an easy way to do it. While the peanut butter and honey are on the stove, you're also going to want to get a baking sheet ready. We're not baking, but it's just a nice place to put the balls when we're making them. You can line it with parchment paper. I'm going to line it with this reusable silicone mat because that's eco-friendly and I love to do that. Okay, our peanut butter and honey are mixed well. We're going to go ahead and dump this onto here. Getting it warm helps them combine, which makes it evenly distribute. I know. And it makes it easier to work with. Now, we're pouring honey and peanut butter in here. So to no one's surprise, this is gonna be sticky. All right, I'm gonna start mixing with the spatula, but to be honest, this is messy and sticky. So sometimes it's actually easiest to work with your hands. But if you're gonna work with your hands, you have to give it a little time because the peanut butter and honey are hot when they're coming off the stove. I mean, like, duh, but I've also burned my fingers on this before. These are a great protein-packed, nutrient-packed snack to have when you're busy. They travel well, they're delicious, you can have them for breakfast, they're sweet and savory, so they're just a staple in my household. Plus, you can make a lot of different variations with this. Sometimes I like to add coconut flakes, chocolate chips, raisins, craisins, nuts, all kinds of things. So there's a lot you can do with these. Oat balls are a dream. Let's get messy. I am eating some already. So the beauty of this is you can make them whatever size you wish to be. This is what I'm working with here. Cheese. These probably won't last long for me. Also, if you're here on Flobody 9, there's a high chance that you're doing some workout videos as well. I'm a big believer in giving your body the nutrients that it needs to succeed. And it is just as important to fuel your body after your workout with some protein. You're working really hard and you don't want it to be for nothing. So this is a great snack to have after you work out to make sure your body has the protein it needs to build the muscles that you're working so hard on. And there you have it, delicious protein-packed, nutrient-dense balls. Yum! Domino smelled the peanut butter and now he wants some, but you can't have it. I'll give you peanut butter though. Delicious. Thank you for joining us for another recipe. I hope you find these as delicious as I do. I look forward to cooking with you again. See you next time.